Unlock the convenience of managing your finances securely and easily with our detailed guide to logging into your Natwest bank account online. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Natwest website. The address you need is natwest.com. It's crucial to always use the official website to ensure you're on a secure and legitimate platform. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to proceed to the login portal. You will now see the login screen here. You'll need to enter your unique username or customer number, followed by your password. Carefully enter your username exactly as it was provided to you by Natwest. Double check for any typos. Next, enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you match the capitalization correctly for added security. Natwest may ask for additional verification steps, such as memorable information or a one-time passcode sent to your mobile device. Follow these on-screen prompts diligently. After entering all your details, click the login button to gain access to your online banking dashboard. If you encounter any issues, such as a forgotten password, look for the forgot password or forgotten username links on the login page. These will guide you through the secure recovery process. For optimal security, always create strong, unique passwords and avoid reusing them across different online accounts. Consider using a password manager if you have many accounts to manage. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Natwest online banking account, ready to manage your transactions, view statements, and much more. Remember to always log out completely when you're finished to protect your account. Happy banking!